pipecleaner beecraft. Gather your supplies first. Yellow chenille pipe cleaners needed. Coil yellow piece tightly. Roll into small circle. Make 3 yellow coils. These form the bee body. Now grab black chenille. Bend black into oval loop. Twist and to secure loop. Create to black pom-pom shapes. White felt wings coming next. Rolling black pom-pom tightly. White pipe cleaner wing shaped. Twist white chenille for wings. Attach black pom-pom to wings. Black pipe cleaner antenna prepared. Long black chenille cut straight. Pliers bend antenna wire loop. Cut antenna to perfect length. Small U-shape antenna complete. Cut wire into small pieces. Prepare antenna wire segments. Curl wire ends carefully. Shape the antennae with wire. Glue yellow pom-pom body. Attach black pom-pom head. Press pieces firmly together. Add white wing pieces. Wings attached to body. Attaching legs to bee body. Wire coils become bee legs. Insert wings into body sides. White feather wings added now. Press legs firmly into place. 2 small legs attached carefully. Shaping bee body with hands. Adjusting pipe cleaner bee shape. Adding white wings to bee. Glue securing wings on body. Beecraft nearly complete. Final bee touches applied. Like and subscribe for more crafts.